So at Hamilton, we have the NGS Stamoa, which is our best solution for medium to high throughput library preparation. It can prepare up to 96 samples in a single run, and it is part of our SR-Ready workstation family. Within this family, we offer standardized hardware and software in combination with biologically tested methods from various kit providers. And among these kit providers, of course, we have PacBio. Together with PacBio, we have not only automated the SMRTbell library prep 3.0 and the subsequent polymerized binding, but we can also offer automated pipette shearing upfront. Together with PacBio, we co-developed the automated high molecular weight DNA extraction with the PacBio Nanobind kits, and as an instrument, we used the Nimbus Presto. So these Nanobind kits, they are also available in automation-friendly sizes. We are very proud to say that Hamilton can offer the full PacBio high-throughput end-to-end automation. So we have protocols for validated for human cell cultures, for example, for bacteria and for human blood. And for the blood protocols, we have different forms available depending on your input. So we have one protocol for small volume input and we have one protocol for large volume input. So for the NGS Stamoa, we plan to offer the short read elimination as another add-on soon. Also, we are aiming to bring automation of the RNA-seq workflow to the market. And furthermore, of course, we want to broaden our method portfolio by also offering library preparation protocols with our lower and higher throughput instruments, which are the NGS Starlet and the NGS Star V. For the Nimbus Presto, of course, we also plan to expand the method portfolio and want to provide automation for more sample types.